dunes. We're at the Coach 8 facility. Can't get better than this facility. The best facility in the world for structural drying training. Hey, they've allowed me in. Little do they know what I've done. Scott's been in his office. It's okay. So come on in and let's see what I've done inside the house. All right. Okay, so we've got a high pressure bed here and we're targeting the mats here now to cover all the area. Okay? This wall we had 60 degrees running in it with pressurized desiccated air. So we know it's pretty good, but we did this to show them a little bit about how we can dry with mats. Got our desiccant in here, pressurising with the pressure system, pumping pressurised air straight in to the actual wall cavity there. We've got some fans circulating and we put the high temperature GTK 900 in here. Over here we're taking away the whiteboard, just the trachea cube, sucking any excess moisture that might be under the kitchen. We've got the Drymatic 2 running, heating the area up, and the boost. So it's fantastic, and we're going to get this area going. So, okay. In here is pretty much the same. Upstairs, hey, look at that! Showing a 1 metre high, 4 by 1 metre wall mat. Something different yet again. Love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow, day 4. Day 3's been fantastic. Thanks for watching.